El Diablo, a Cuban folklore from the book Baila Nana Baila, Dance Nana Dance. A man and a woman are trying to enter their house, but are stopped by a large, ugly troll. The troll forces them to dance and sing in order to get into their home to see their children. One day, while they are going to the farm, the woman said to her daughter that she was afraid the large, ugly troll was going to rob them and take her. But the girl said that wasn't going to happen. The next day, the woman said to her daughter that she had a feeling that the troll was going to be at the door and kidnap her. The daughter said she was crazy. The next day, the troll did show up. She yelled, and a man came to help. He tried, but the troll grabbed the girl and ran off. He ran to a forest. The mother chased after him. He ran to the water and across the water. A boater saw the woman crying on the shore, and after she explained what happened, he rowed his boat towards the troll, towards the island. Once he got there, he threw water on the troll until he sank into the ocean and the boater could grab the girl. The woman sang her song for the boater, and he visited the girl every day and sang that song too, until one day they got married. But that's another story.